How to fix Instagram message not being sent. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of message not being sent on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, you should make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is fine. And the second thing is you should make sure that Instagram service is fine. Now all you need to do, if this doesn't work, click on your setting and go to your apps. Now click on manage apps and search for Instagram. Now all you need to do is click on clear data and clear cache. Okay, so this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.